On a serious note, what would you like Jamaicans to be more like? Be more skilled, be more educated, be more productive, drop your victim mindset, make your ancestors them proud, make the Windrush generation, make them proud, make them coming over, make it worth it. I'm just cooking my dinner right now and I had a fucking epiphany. Do you know, yeah, it would be fucking funny and Jamaican girls, so obviously the ones that are born here, they would struggle if this was the case. If all Jamaican girls, the only guy they could get with is a Jamaican, but who is a productive Jamaican, a man that has his head screwed on, has his life in order. Yo, let me tell you something right now, yeah? If Jamaican girls in this country could only be with a Jamaican that has his head screwed on, is a productive member of society, an upstanding member of community, yo, Jamaican women would be in trouble. Let me tell you something right now. If that was the case, I would be clean. Yo, it'll be 1,000 to 1. 1,000 to 1. But that's not the case, though. That's not the case. Let me tell you something right now, yeah? If, and I don't want to say a certain word, yeah? But if it was a case of Jamaican women can only procreate and reproduce with Jamaican men that have their heads screwed on, Jamaicans would be non-existent, yeah, in a few years' time. Yeah? Because Jamaican man are a joke, man. Jamaican man are a joke, man. So we need to be more skilled, educated, productive, drop the victim mindset, be known for being productive, be known for owning businesses, be known for buying up a bunch of properties and that. You see, when we think of people that have a bunch of properties and that, or yeah, you know, like if you think of a man that has about 6 properties on one road, you're thinking of, you know, Indian man and that. Why can't that be the Jamaican man? If, let's say for example, yeah, I don't know, you was at some networking event and they said, right, we're going to have a guy come through the door in a minute, yeah? And this guy, he owns 6 properties. He owns 2 houses that are next to each other, and he owns 2 flats that are opposite each other. In your head, you're thinking it's going to be an Indian man, yeah? Or a Greek man or something like that. No way, shape or form would you think this guy is going to be walking through the door. No way. Because we're not known for owning multiple properties and that. We're just known for breeding up gyal. Anyway, live streaming tonight. It's 7:15 at the moment. Live streaming tonight at 8:30, around about 8:30. Between 8 and 8:30, I'll start the live stream. See you there.